You have likely heard the term right to work in the news, but it is often misunderstood. Let us break down what it actually means. Right to work is a specific type of state law regarding labor unions and employment contracts. Currently, over half of the states in the U.S. have these laws on the books, though the rules vary significantly by region. In these states, you cannot be forced to join a union or pay union fees as a condition of keeping your job. Do not confuse this with at-will employment. At-will means you can be fired for any reason, while right to work concerns union membership. National union membership has steadily declined over the decades, which changes how these laws impact the average worker today. Ultimately, these laws are meant to protect an individual worker's right to decide whether or not to financially support a labor union. Understanding your local labor laws is a great step in managing your career. Educational content, not financial advice. See you next time.